back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah.
Hello everyone, so today I will be making a underarm detox with activated charcoal and bentonite clay. I make natural deodorant, and the underarm detox is to complement that for people who are transitioning between traditional forms of deodorant over onto the natural deodorant. It will allow the transition process to be a little bit faster, as it takes away the dead skin cells and cleanses the pores, so that your body, your underarms will react a little bit better, faster to the natural deodorant. Whenever individuals switch from traditional forms to natural deodorant, there is a delay process, if for want of a better term, whereby they may experience changes or differences within their bodies, under their armpits. So some people have said that they experience body odor for a little while. That's just the pre-set before the natural deodorant takes effect. So the detox will speed up that process so that you don't experience those changes for too long. In my own experience, I did experience a short period where I could feel perspiration under my armpits, and there may have been a couple of days when I wasn't as fresh as I normally would be, in my opinion. Like, I could smell my natural body odor. It wasn't a stink, because I do my 2 showers per day, and I also do my body scrubs and stuff. But I could tell there was a difference. That was before I learned about the detox option, so I never went through that detox period. But what I did was I trained my body to understand that there has been a change from the traditional form to the natural deodorant, and in doing so, what I did was I used the natural deodorant more frequently. So whereas I'd take my morning shower and I would use my deodorant, and then I wouldn't use deodorant again until I take my evening shower, what I did was I included an extra use. So around that lunchtime period, then I would go again, without cleansing my armpits. I would just go again and add some of the deodorant, the natural deodorant, and then for my evening shower, then I would add my natural deodorant again. And so I did that for a few days, and then because I was testing the product to see how my body responds, I started to take away that middle period and just used it after my morning shower, and then again after my my evening shower, to test it even further to see how my body responded to it. I would take my evening shower and not use a deodorant, just to see what see how my armpits would react to that in the morning when I would wake up. And honestly, I didn't notice a difference by that point. So I think that period of using it for 3 times throughout the day really helped. So the detox is just an alternate option that you can incorporate, especially if you perspire a lot. Then you can consider using this. during that transition process, you don't need to use it more than about 2 times per week. And by around the second week, you should be fine. Okay, so let's get into it. I'll walk you through the process and why I chose to use these specific ingredients in the Underarm Detox. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to leave a comment at the end. The first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, or ACV. It's a popular natural remedy for armpit care. Why? Let's break it down. ACV's antibacterial properties target odor-causing bacteria, keeping your underarms fresh. It helps restore your skin's natural pH, reducing irritation and dryness. We'll now take a look at the purpose for including water. Water acts as a diluting agent, making the mixture easy to apply and absorb into the skin. The next ingredient is Manuka honey, which is a powerhouse for under armpit care. Thanks to its methyl glyoxal content, it fights odor-causing bacteria. As a humectant, Manuka honey soothes and hydrates dry or irritated skin. It's perfect for calming redness, irritation, or minor cuts from shaving or waxing. Over time, with the use of Manuka honey, it can reduce pigmentation and promote an even tone. Manuka honey also helps cleanse while nourishing the skin. The next ingredient I added here is coconut oil, which brings even more benefits to your underarm routine. Coconut oil is a natural deodorant. Its antibacterial properties reduce odor naturally. Packed with fatty acids, it nourishes and softens delicate skin. It has healing and soothing properties. Its anti-inflammatory lauric acid soothes post-shave irritation. Did you know that coconut oil promotes a more even tone over time? Coconut oil also helps remove buildup and impurities. The next 3 ingredients that I've included here are emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, and polysorbate 80. These ingredients work together to create a stable and smooth product. E-wax and cetyl alcohol emulsify and condition, while polysorbate 80 ensures oil and water mix seamlessly. Yeah, don't forget to pause for a dance. It's very important. Following that, I've included bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a detox superstar. It draws out toxins and product buildup. It neutralizes bacteria for a fresher feel. It restores natural skin balance, and it unclogs pores and smooths the skin. Following that, I've added activated charcoal. Activated charcoal takes detoxing a step further. It deep cleanses. It absorbs toxins, bacteria, and oil. It keeps odor at bay naturally. Activated charcoal also promotes healthy, clear skin. Now, once I've warmed up the water ingredients as well as the oil-based ingredients, I then pour the oil ingredients into the water ingredients, and I mix thoroughly with my immersive blender. Okay, once I have mixed the products, then it's time for pH testing. Maintaining the right pH is essential for safe, effective underarm care. Ideally, products should fall between 4.5 and 6 to support your skin's natural barrier while combating bacteria and odor. I also include citric acid. This multitasking ingredient brightens, exfoliates, and ensures your product stays within the ideal pH range. For a fresh finish, lemon essential oil provides odor control. Its antibacterial properties keep underarms fresh. It lightens dark patches over time, and it helps tighten pores and reduce sweat. Once the ingredients are blended and emulsified, the product is set in the fridge for 20 minutes to stabilize. Then it's mixed again for a smooth, even texture. Here's how it looks when applied. Smooth, nourishing, and effective. There you have it, a natural, effective way to care for your underarms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. You can also learn more about this underarm detox by clicking on the link in the description box, which takes you to my blog. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you for the next one.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a